Pedigree software program. The program is under review right now and is slated to be available to the general public in May of 2013. We're hoping to have it make its debut at the Ohio Mini Convention on May 3rd and 4th in Columbus, Ohio. So what you're looking at here is the software's main screen. As you can see, there are areas dedicated to rabbits, shows, transactions, breedings, people, and preferences and general notes. The rabbit section is kind of simple. If you want to look at all the rabbits currently in your rabbitry, you just click on the List in Rabbitry button. If you want to look at all the rabbits contained in the Pedigree software, you click List All Rabbits. Let's take a quick look at List in Rabbitry. So here's a list of all the rabbits currently in my barn, and we'll take a look at one of the rabbits here. Take a look at one of my favorites, Dan's Nadia, and this is Nadia's main screen. As you can see, there's some general information here. Once you enter the birth date, it automatically calculates the age and the class for you. Going down here, this is an area where you'll interact to let the software know whether or not the rabbit is in the rabbitry currently, or is a showable or breeding rabbit, or if you're thinking of selling the rabbit, if the rabbit is available. This section here lists the parents of the rabbit. Corley is the sire, and Lizette was the dam. From here, there's a breeding tab. The breeding tab, there's no breedings for Nadia, but if she were to be bred, it would be easy to add a breeding here, and you would click on that and add the breeding. Offspring is kind of interesting, and it works in conjunction with the breeding tab. When a rabbit is raised and you make a pedigree for the rabbit, that rabbit then becomes one of the rabbits in the parent's offspring list. So these rabbits you don't enter in here, they'll automatically show up. And at any point you can just click on them and go to that rabbit's main screen. It's kind of cool. Then the next tab is the Shows tab. This is the show winnings for the rabbit. Right now there's nothing entered in here. New software, I've got to enter all the shows that she was previously in, and this is where that would go. Transactions, if you purchase the rabbit from someone else, you can put the purchasing information here. If you're selling the rabbit or sold the rabbit, you can put that information here. Once you add a rabbit as sold and put a price in, it goes to the transaction tab on the main page. Then a notes section. General notes, you can put some general notes in here about the rabbit. You can put some medical notes or some feeding instructions. And then this section is pretty cool too because it's the photo section. So you can actually add photos along the way of the rabbit, some of your favorite photos. In order to go back to the main screen, just click the home button. The next video will show you a little bit about the shows, and then we'll get into the breedings and transactions at later videos. Hope you've enjoyed the overview, and we'll see you at the Ohio Mini Convention if you're interested in the software.